Hi there everyone, James here at Trotec Laser, and today we're going to be talking about our range of laserable bottles, hip flasks, tumblers and mugs. These products are really easy to personalise using your CO2 laser machine, and today in this video we're going to show you exactly how you can do that.
The Trotec bottle range includes coated bottles with regular colours and glitter finishes, coated and glitter mugs, laserable tumblers, coated hip flasks and uncoated stainless steel bottles and hip flasks. The design we will be using is an edited version of this Smile and Enjoy file that is available as a free download from our website. The most common way to process bottles, mugs and tumblers is using a rotary attachment. This allows you to create a 360-degree design with ease. On the other hand, a hip flask can be processed flat on the laser bed. During laser engraving, the coating is removed, exposing the steel core, offering an efficient contrast between the colour coating and the bottle itself. All bottles, mugs and tumblers feature a double-walled vacuumed insulation, keeping your drinks warm for up to 12 hours or cool for up to 24 depending on the product. As an alternative to the rotary attachment, you can use a jig to process multiple products in a single job. This jig we created using 3mm acrylic on the Speedy 100. Please note that you cannot do 360-degree designs using a jig. You will have to manually turn the bottles or mugs over once the first processing has been completed.
Okay, so you've seen how we process our powdered bottles. Now we're going to talk about the blank bottles and blank hip flasks. Now the first way you can do this is using a CO2 laser, however you will need an additional additive, such as our mark spray, or you can process them directly with a fibre laser, which we will now show you.
Please note that due to differences in wavelengths, fibre processing takes significantly longer than processing using a CO2 laser.
So there you have it. That is how easy it is to process Trotec's range of engravable gifts, including the hip flasks, tumblers and bottles. Very easy, very simple. If you're interested in finding out more about these great products, visit the webshop at shop.troteclaser.com. In the meantime, happy lasering, and we hope this video was useful to you.